Okay guys, good evening. My name is Eric and welcome to another episode of Parrot English. And tonight I'm going to talk about the Kernel of the Bible, chapter 8. And the chapter 8 is about captivity and recovery. In order to eat Christ, how the short portion of the harvest, we need three things. The harvest, the unique place chosen by God, and the release of our spirit. We need to release our spirit so that Christ may be released. None of these 3 points is found in today's Christianity. To have a harvest meant to grow Christ. When some Christians hear this, they will say, "We never heard of such a thing as growing Christ." What does this mean? Isn't Christ perfect and complete? How can we grow him? Throughout the century, Christians have not heard the concept of growing Christ. The phrase grow Christ cannot be found in Christian writings. Eating Christ, know our limitations. I am quite concerned that you understand accurately what it means to eat Christ. In a foregoing message, I share with you how to grow Christ has hit in the midst of limited situations. However, this does not mean that we should eat the limitation. Instead, we must eat the Christ that grows in limitation. The concept of eating the limitation comes from traditional teachings. These teachings began with the book The Imitation of Christ by Thomas A. Kempis. Through the readings of this book, many Christians have received the impressions that they must suffer and build the cross. That is, that they must eat their limitations. Many think that Christians should have long faces and wrinkled brows. Okay guys, this was all for tonight. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you want to continue watching more videos about me, you only have to subscribe for more videos every Thursday, because now I'm uploading a new video every Thursday. See you next Thursday. This was Parrot English. Bye bye.